Hello, in front of me I've got Vivo V15 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings and now go to display and brightness. Right here we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list, where you can change display brightness level manually or via auto brightness. Next, we can enable or disable eye protection mode, schedule it and change its intensity. Next, we can enable or disable dark mode, also schedule it and change background shade. Then we can change auto lock between 15 seconds and 10 minutes, enable or disable portrait orientation lock, change font style, and download more font styles. Next we can change font size, adjust screen colors, and enable full screen mode for apps. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.